Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017. To remove the door panel, unscrew one bolt behind the door release handle and two bolts under the armrest. Using a plastic trim tool, pry the door panel to release the 7-8 clips holding it in place. Then lift the panel upward and pull it toward you. Finally, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors.